Okay guys, here we have a video how to replace the new lights on top of your G-Wagon for the old ones, and also the side markers here, and also in the same time replacing the new headlight here. So the headlight, it's assembly which you can buy on Amazon. They come in different variations. It's a 7-inch round headlight, but for that you need to buy this housing. Without that, the old one doesn't fit because you cannot remove the old one. So this thing is also from Amazon. It's a housing for 7-inch round headlight, and it also by coincidence fits Harley Davidson headlight and a Jeep. So these ones are like around $20 each, and it's fairly easy. You just unscrew these screws, put the light in, screw it back, then you connect it right here to the original connector which was there. Red one is empty. There is a green light which you connect inside here to the green light. I can maybe make a little video come closer here. So anyway, in here there is a green light you just have to tap onto. Green wire you have to tap onto, right? Which I connected right here. The green wire goes over there. Okay, so let's continue with the project. There is one thing you have to buy from a Mercedes dealership. It's an original part, and it's headlight gaskets. Here is the part number for any of you want to know. Takes about 3-4 days to order it, and they cost about it's Mercedes part, so it costs about $50 for two. Okay, so these ones, they go around here. I already have one here, and what you have to do, it's got the numbers here, right here. So the numbers, they go inside like this. They go inside, you just slip it in, like that, and I work it in. See, it fits perfectly. And this is for, the moisture and the dirt not to get in there. So, my son is calling me. Hello? Tady dělám nahoře ty světla a instructional video. Okay. Jo, jasně. Okay. Tak se můžu přijít na podívat. Okay. Tak. Takže we continue. Also, once you unscrew these, it's just simple. You connect them to the original wires which were there, and you just feed it through the little hole over there, which comes here. There's that those two wires which comes from the new light, and you connect them right here like that. I'm going to use a little duct tape here just to kind of separate them and keep them from touching each other. So you can do it like that. Okay, that is done. white one, I was also cleared the bottom. You can feed all this in there. There is the wire which came from this side mag, which I already installed and I plugged it. So this one I can disconnect right here like that. And that's basically it. You're gonna feed this in. Well, first we have a little problem here. First we have to, of course, put the light inside, right? So we have to wind it up with the holes, which were there already, 3 holes. They need to match. Then I need to find the screws and screw that in. So let's take a little pause.